Hello ladies and gentlemen, guys, today I'm gonna be taking a listen to a band called Slayer, and it's the song name is Raining Blood. This is gonna be a first time listen for me. So guys, yeah, without further ado, let's get into this. Oh. The drumming. Oh!
Trapped in purgatory, I love this object alive.
No!
Awaiting reprisal, death will be their acquiescence. Sky is turning red. Return to power, toss near. Follow to me, the sky scripts in tears. Abolish the rules made of stone.
Guys, this is sorry. This is pretty awesome, guys. This band is going through like a whole motion of transitions, which is really nice, and it fits. How would I say it? It feels right every time it's changed. But something that came to mind, I would really like to see these guys play live, and not only them, but to see the crowd. Because I know music like this has some kind of, crowd of, hey, metalheads, and let me tell you, people are going insane. People are crazy. But wow, guys, I'm really amazed by how this started. I felt like, this, like, it just painted an image in my head. Like, I just felt like I was not where I am now, and that's really good. For, when a song really does that, it says a lot. I've been dealing with a lot of like the well, I don't know what year this is, so yeah, let me not say. But since I've been dealing with a lot of 70s music, it really it's a natural thing. They just paint a picture in your head. But this one, it does that, and let me tell you, hey, a song like this with a few drinks, let me tell you, for me it's game over. I'm turning it up. But let's go. No talking from my ass. Let's go.
The sky scripts in tears. Abolish the rules made of stone.
Got it.
Souls of my treacherous past. Betrayed by men, not born to be stripping above. Awaiting the hour of reprisal. No time slips away.
Oh. This feels right.
From a lacerated sky, bleeding its horror, creating my structure. Now I shall rain in blood.
Oh! Am I supposed to watch a video with this? Goodness gracious. I guess this is it, guys. Oh my goodness. What a song! Guys, where do I start? The ending, I never expected the song to get even faster than how it is, like in between. And it was so fast already, it was like, if I had to go exactly to the rhythm, my headphones would have just flew off. You saw, guys, I had to hold this bad boy. Ow, my ears hurt now. Shit. And oh my goodness, ladies and gentlemen, that was a pretty awesome song, let me tell you. This is not my first time hearing a song like this, but I don't believe I did Slayer. Oh, so guys, I just typed it in and it shows 1986. Wow, 86. Bands. Wait. To me, I've come across bands making music like this, like still, like right now. Wow. Well, 80s really had a lot of amazing stuff, and hey, like there's so much to say for this year. I mentioned 70s earlier, you know, since I've been digging a lot of listening to a lot of 70s, and this just makes me feel fresh. It's refreshing, getting like something. It's just totally different from what I've been listening to lately, because you know, my subscribers, my followers are just telling me, "Ace, do this, do that." But my goodness, this is a piece of work. I don't know, guys. Was I supposed to watch this with a freaking video? Because let me tell you, it really feels like this here. If not, my God. But awesome. Is there anyone I can check out of Slayer, or is this the only one? Hey, they got more. I'm seeing South of Heaven and Season in the Abyss. Hey, they got more. So guys, just to say, guys, I like to listen to the audios a lot of times. I find a lot of the videos are blocked for me, so if you guys don't mind, I have no problem doing some of the others, just the audio. I know everyone likes a video, including me, but yeah, the posting part gets blocked, so I'm not sure how Slayer is for this, but you let me know, guys. Let me know. But guys, thank you so much for watching this here. This was really, I was not expecting this here at all. I dealt with a lot of softer songs before coming to this, so this was like a boom in my face. It was like, but it felt good. Hey, by the way, I'm drinking some whiskey. Maybe someone wants to ask. I'm just, you know, sipping on this little, you know, enough shots. Yeah. So guys, thank you so much. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you beautiful and wonderful people all over the world back on the next when everybody plays. Take care.